What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is RiahsChoice, and today I am doing this cream contour tutorial type video for you guys. I got someone that asked me to do this for them, so I am doing it. Yeah, it's really simple. It's not that hard as people may think that it is. So if you want to see how to do it, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Alright, so I'm about to teach you guys how to cream contour and highlight. Right now I just have foundation on. I did my eyebrows, I did my eyes obviously, but I don't have any contour, anything like that on, so that's what I'm about to do. So I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I've been having this forever, but I just now used it and I love it so much. It's amazing. So what you want to do is put this under your eyes. This is going to highlight. To conceal, you would use a concealer that is basically the same color as your foundation, but for the purpose of highlighting, you want to use one 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin color. So it just depends on your preference as well, because some people don't really like all that. So you want to put it underneath your eyes in a triangle shape, down the bridge of your nose, a little bit on your forehead, on your chin, and then I put it around here because I tend to get redness right there that kind of makes it look like you got a mustache. So, and I'm just going to take a beauty blender. Don't mind the chunk bitten out of mine. My son did that. So I'm just going to blend that in. I actually like for my concealer to kind of sit under my eyes for a few minutes, because it'll make it thicker and give it more coverage. So I'm going to just let this sit under my eyes and go on to the contouring of the cheeks. So for cream contouring, I'm going to use these LA Girl Pro Concealers. So I'm going to take this one that's in the color Toffe, and you just want to put it wherever you would normally powder contour, pretty much in the hollows of your cheeks. Like that. Don't take it down, take it up. So you just want to do that. Right there. Put it on your forehead. On your chin. I'll put it underneath my lip because it makes the illusion of a poutier mouth. And then for the nose, you just want to take it down the sides of your nose. And then, you know, do the little circle on the top. So that's that. I feel like this is not as dark as I want for contouring, so I'm gonna just start blending that in. Actually, I think I want to use a brush. I'm gonna just start blending it in with this flat brush. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush I got from Target in a set. So just blending this in. I feel like my lighting is kind of off. Okay, so I'm just blending that in. With the blending of the contour, you want to do more of a tap. Well, this is what I do. You know, I do everything my own way. I don't know if it's the right way, but it works for me. So you want to do it in a tapping motion and take it up. You don't want to ever take it down, because then it's going to create some weird stuff that you don't want nothing to do with. And if you do accidentally make it a little messy, we're going to clean that up anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But I mean, you could skip an extra step if you just don't do it. So now I'm just blending that in more of a patting motion, and then like a swipe. So like a pat and swipe type of thing. For my forehead, same thing. Pat and swipe type of thing. I normally don't cream contour just because powder is so much quicker and easier for me, but I do like the way that a cream contour looks better. It's more dewy and it just, you know, looks more natural. Ignore the baby music and baby sounds in the back. That's my son listening to his little shows. Y'all know, if you got kids, you know how that is. So after doing that, we're going to go to the nose. I'm going to need a smaller brush for my nose. So I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. concealer, flawless concealer brush. And I'm just going to take a very light hand And kind of blend that out. You don't want to smudge it too much. You want to keep it in the places that it is, because it is cream, and you start moving it around, it's going to just make your nose dark. So be very cautious when doing this. Take it under the brows and into your brows in the front. And just, you know, kind of swipe that, but don't do too much blending on the nose. Like so. So after that, I feel like my nose contour is not as defined as, you know, I like my nose contour. If you watch my videos, you know my nose contour is my favorite thing. So I'm going to take this darker one in the color Beautiful Bronzed LA Girl and just do the little circle on the top that I like to do. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just pat that in like so. And now that I did all that, my under eye concealer should be a little thicker now, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this out as well. As you can see, it gave me way more coverage since I let it sit. Just talking randomly, this hairstyle is something new as well. You know, I know y'all see me on my little ponytail vibes. Most of these hairstyles, these ponytails, have been inspired by another YouTuber and a YouTube social media friend that I have. Her name is Tasia. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It's Tasia Shamari. So I'm gonna put her channel, the link to this little hair tutorial that she did, down in the description so y'all can check it out. I really like this hairstyle. She makes it look so cute. Me, I got a big head, so I don't know how I feel about it, but anyways, I want to give her credit because she has been inspiring me with the ponytails because she rocks them so well. So shout out to you, girl. You so cute. Okay, so after that, this is looking good. Okay, after that, I'm going to just take some of my foundation. The foundation that I'm wearing is my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation, the one that I always use. And I'm going to just take a little bit of that and put it on this little blemish I have in the middle of my head. And I'm going to let that sit a little bit so it can thicken up, and then I'm going to blend that out later on. Anyways, okay, so now after cream contouring, you want to set your cream contouring with a powder just so that it doesn't move anywhere. So I'm going to just take this fluffy brush. Actually, I'm going to take a different one. I'm going to take this fluffy brush. It's my Ray Ray brush, and I'm going to just go over this cream contour with the It's My Ray Ray palette, just to set that. Nothing major. Something the same color as the cream that you used, and just, you know, go ahead and set that. When I do my contour, my cheeks, I don't even want to call it contour. When I bronze my face, I don't know if this is just me or what, but I like to take my bronzer all the way to like my mouth kind of, because it gives you this nice, really chiseled look. So I take it like starting off in a kind of like a triangle. So I start off like this, and then I take it in like that. So I just really like the way that that looks when you have that contour that goes all the way to the mouth. After that, I am going to take this darker brown shade in the color Brown Bites, and it's my Ray Ray palette, and I just put that right in the hollows of my cheeks, so it just chisels your face a little bit more. I don't take this all the way out. I just literally set this right here. As you can see, that made like a difference in structure. So I'll just do that with a little bit, not too much product, because it can get muddy. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that with the brush I use for the cream contour. Yes, baby. What you need, baby? Huh? What you need? Hugs? So after that, I'm going to go ahead and, oh, you want to set all of the cream contours that you did, not just the cheeks. So I did the forehead already. Set under here. Set everything that you did. Including your nose contours, you want to also set that. Ouch. Stop. Okay, so did that. Now, that's pretty much all for cream contouring. That's pretty much it for cream contouring. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished look, which will just literally be added highlight and something on my lips probably. So I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm all done. I just applied some bronzer, highlight, some lipstick, and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you all in my next video.